This is Team Tech Support's general track submission. Carmen Canvas can be quite confusing with its outdated UI on top of its slow loading times. It can be a hassle to figure out which assignments you've completed, which need to be completed as soon as possible, and which ones you've missed. Our first attempt was a simple Chrome extension that would overlay the Carmen website, changing the layout, trying to make it more organized. However, this limited the amount of features as the control flow remained the same. The site would still load slowly, and certain things would still be hard to find. Certain pieces of information, such as one's course grade, are not available directly through APIs and require extra processing that would overly complicate the extension. So moving on from that, we explored creating an app to replace the website in its entirety. This would allow us to change the control flow to meet the performance and organization we wanted. Our project speeds up Carmen by replacing its interface with a high-performance desktop app with a refreshed UI displaying useful information like your current grades without having to view the course details, an easy-to-read to-do list, and colorful indicators on assignments indicating completion, upcoming, or overdue. And to demonstrate the performance, we can try to navigate to the assignments in Java programming here, and it takes about that long, and within our application, it is immediate. So this is the homepage of our application versus Carmen's. The first thing we did was refresh the to-do section by removing all the old entries that are relevant. So Carmen shows October 7th and into October 20th. In addition to that, clearly separating out each day that the assignments are due. This also includes a past due and recent submissions section. The course listing is quite similar, except for redundant information like the semester are removed, and your course grade is displayed without ever having to click into the course or going to the gradebook. When we navigate into a course, we can see the assignment listings with colors on the left. The red will indicate that the assignment is overdue, the green indicates that it has been completed, and the yellow indicates that it's not completed and it is a future assignment. The most important feature we implemented was an estimated time on how long assignments would take on a certain date given the times it took to complete similar past assignments. To do this, we can supply a number of minutes to the right of any of the assignments on the and then on the home page, the time to complete the day is calculated. As the year would progress, these will fill up and become more and more accurate, allowing you to optimize your time or procrastinate just a bit longer. So for example, this Zybooks assignment down here, we put 25 minutes to complete, and when we go and look at this plotting activity, which is similar, it's the same activity on Zybooks, it will tell us that this day will take 25 minutes to complete the work. And we can go in and change this at any time to say that this activity took an hour, and then it will show an hour on this day.